Are you looking to invest in property but worried that you're going to make the wrong decision? I'll be giving you my checklist so you can make the most out of your investment. Step 1, download these free simple apps, Zillow and Redfin. I use these apps daily. They'll tell you the days on market, the asking price, and how much the properties are that are around it. Knowing the days on market is crucial. If it's been on the market for a while, I know I can offer less, a lot less. The sellers are desperate and ready to sell. You also want to know what the houses around it are selling for, because this will give you a ballpark of what you can sell your house for. Here's a property that I've recently purchased. As you can see behind me, there's not a lot of trees, which saves me on the clearing costs. The ground is high and dry with beautiful views. This makes this property a prestige property. Next on my list that I look for is water and sewer. This white pipe is a sewer cleanout. It's an indication that there's sewer on this property. When looking at properties, you need to know if it's in a flood zone. I personally do not buy anything in flood zones. It costs more to build in a flood zone, it's harder to sell, and there's more inspections you have to deal with. To find out if a property is in a flood zone, you can go to the FEMA website. You also want to make sure the property does not have any wetlands. You can do this by Googling the game warden maps in your local area. A big mistake that people do is buy property in an HOA without looking over the HOA requirements. For example, when I first started building, I built in an HOA that had a height restriction. I was 2 inches above that height. The HOA made me spend money to lower the roof to fit within their requirements. Another thing that can sneak up on you is the HOA fees and the city fees. These fees can be costly, so make sure you know them when you're buying your next property. Easy, right? Go find your next property, like the video, and subscribe to the channel.